What's up guys, it's Daisy. What's up guys, it's Daisy. Tbilisi, Georgia. I just saw this church steeple, but that's like a bell tower, isn't it? I don't know, but I just thought I'd make a quick video of it. Is that kind of like a mural on that wall there too? Just look nice. So many churches and stuff. I've walked past it a few times. I just thought it looked nice through this archway. I don't know. So like flats there. So many old flats. Oh, that's nice artwork too. Like vernacular, abstract.